Hello, boys and girls. We are going to have our last game of the week playing our place value game. So let's get going. Let's see, let's get our roller going here. So get out your place value mat. We are going to roll it today, our final day. We are going to roll it not 5, not 6, not 7, but 8 times. What? 8 times. OMG. All right, so 8 times means what place value are we going to go out to? Whoa, mind crazy. Oh my goodness. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way out to the 10 millions place. Okay? Whew. Are we ready? Sure you're ready. Of course you're ready. You're always ready. Okay, here we go. So let's go find our roller, our dice roller, and let's roll the dice. And we have a 6. Where are you going to put your... Oh, sorry. We're making the largest number possible this time, okay? So make the biggest number you can possibly make. So put the number down where you think it should go. Okay? I'm going to go here. Okay? I'm going to roll again. If I go too fast, you can always pause the video. What's a 2? I'm going to go here. Roll again. It's a 5. Where are you going to put your 5? Roll again. 9. 9. Remember, biggest number and the 10 millions place is the highest. And I'm gonna roll it 8 times. So I've already done it 4 times. Let's keep going. 3. Ooh. I need some high numbers. Come on, high numbers. Oh, too high. Can't do a 10. 6. All right, I can live with 6. I can live with 6. Give me a 7 or an 8. Come on, come on. Oh, another 6. All right, I can do that. All right, I need a 1 or a 2. What do you need? What do you need? Let's find out. Let's see what we got. Oh, 1. Yes! I did it. Look at this, boys and girls. I actually ended up with the highest possible number you could make with those digits. Look at that, right? So what number do I have here? This is a big number. Let's break it down, okay? Don't get overwhelmed by a big number. So I would say that is, so this is the millions period, right? So we've got 96 million. Okay, so repeat after me, okay? 96 million, 665,000, okay, 321. All right, so let's say it all together now. 96,665,321. So you say the number in that period, and then you say the name of the period, right? So that's the thousands period, so you'd say 665,321. We don't say 321 ones, but you know that, okay? All right, last game. Should we play number large or number small? How about this? I'm going to go and roll the dice. If I get a 1, 2, 3, 4, then we do the smallest number. If I get a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10, we go the largest number. Okay, here we go. And roll. 1. Okay, we're going to do the smallest number. So this is different. Now you're trying to make the smallest number possible. Okay? Like yesterday, when we did this, it was this number right here. The 1,233,466. Okay, so smallest number. All right, here we go. I'm going to roll it, do it 8 times again, okay? And go. 4. Remember, smallest number. Put my 4 here. Okay, roll again. 5. Remember, smallest number. Okay, roll it again. 9. So I'm going to put my 9 in my ones place because we're going for the smallest number, right? 8. All right, that's good. 8. Let's roll it again. We've got 4 more rolls. Oh, we got a 1. So where should the 1 go if you're trying to make the smallest number? Where should that go? If you haven't already put a digit in the 10 millions place, I would put it there, right? That's going to give you the smallest number. We have an 8. All right, so I need some small numbers. What do you need? I need like a 2 or a 3 or a 1. Oh, not a 9. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. I got smacked on that one. All right, let's see what else we got here. Maybe that was good for you. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, we got a 6. Oof. Let's see. 6. Okay, that was the last roll, right? Okay, 6. All right, so let's see how you did. Let's see how I did. I did not find the smallest number possible because if my 9 were way over here, yeah, I just didn't do it. So what number do I have? If you look at my number, can you read that number? Can you read that number? So we've got 16 million. So actually, let's just do this. What number do you see in the millions place? In the millions period? A 16, right? What number's in the thousands period? 945. And in the ones period, you've got 889. So we're going to say those, but then the name of the period. So we've got 16,945,889. So repeat after me. 16,945,889. Excellent job. Okay, so let's do our last place value organizer. Yours will say Friday on it. Okay, we'll use the biggest number. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to write down what would be the smallest number we could possibly make here. Let's see. It looks like we could, if we put a 1 here, that's good, and a 4 here, and then let's see. It looks like a 5, 1, yes, and then a 6, and then is it an 8? Let's see, we've got 1, 4, yeah, I think an 8. Yeah, okay, 8. We've got 1, 2, yeah, 8 here, and then put my comma, and then we had another 8 and 2 9s. So that would have been the smallest number, 14,568,899. Okay, so that'll be the number we use today. So let's get our place value organizer from Friday. It'll say Friday on it, and we'll write down 14,568,899. Okay, it's a big number. So word form you know how to do, expanded form you know how to do. Okay, let me get you started on expanded form. This 1 right here is in the 10 millions place, so that's going to be worth 10 million. Okay, plus 4 million plus what? 5 is worth, you know how much that is worth, 500,000. Okay, use your place value chart if it helps you. You got 1,000 less, 10,000 more. Down here you want to write the value of the digit in the millions place and the value of the digit in the 10 millions place. I actually just did that for you up here. Okay? All right, so complete this please. And hey, that was super fun playing the place value game. Feel free to play anytime. Remember, just Google Dice Roller, and that'll pop up for you. All right, great job. Awesome job. And I'll see you soon.